This video tutorial I will explain uninstalling JDK 21 on Linux operating system. I will walk you through the process of identifying the installation path, removing JDK 21, updating environment variables, and verifying the uninstallation. Here you can see AWS console, and here you can see EC2 instance is running. Copy this IPv4 address, open Putty software, and we have successfully logged into the EC2 instance. Next, open WinSCP. We have successfully logged into EC2 instance. Step 1 is identify the installation path. First, we have to check the Java installation path. Before uninstalling JDK 21, you need to confirm where JDK 21 is installed. If you install it manually, it is usually located in out folder or a custom directory. Then we have to run this command sudo update alternatives config java. This will give list of different Java versions installed and their paths. Then we have to identify JDK 21 path, which is something like opt JDK 21. Run this command, and here you can see JDK 21 is installed in opt folder. And here you can see in opt folder JDK 21 is installed. Step 2 is remove JDK 21. For that, navigate to installation directory. Then in opt folder, JDK 21 is there. That you have to remove using sudo remove command. Copy this path. Go to opt folder. Run this sudo remove command. And here you can see it is successfully removed. Click on refresh. And here you can see it is successfully removed. Step 3 is remove environment variables. For that, open environment variables file, which is usually profile or bash rc. Depending on where you set them, open that particular file, then locate JDK 21 related lines, which will be like this. You have to remove it or comment out those lines. Then save and exit by pressing Ctrl plus X, then Y to confirm the changes and hit enter. Then reload the environment variables using this command. Ctrl X, S to confirm, press enter. To reload the environment variable, we have to run this command. Step 4 is update alternatives. Remove Java alternative. If JDK21 was added to the alternative system, remove it using the following command. And next one is remove Java C alternative. Using this command, you can remove Java 21 alternative for Java C. And in these commands, auth folder JDK21 is there. And if JDK21 has some minor version, that exact path you have to give. Step 5 is verify the uninstallation. For that, we have to run java-version command. If JDK21 was the only Java version installed, then this should return an error message or point to different Java version if installed. Run the command java-version and here you can see command not found. So from this we will come to know the JDK version is successfully uninstalled from this Linux machine. So the conclusion is, by following these steps, you should have successfully uninstalled JDK21 from your Linux system. If you need to switch to another JDK version, you can install it and update your Java home and alternatives accordingly. Regularly maintaining your Linux system by removing unused software helps keep it clean and efficient. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.